I'm so sorry.
You have the right to remain silent.
I'm sorry. Hey guys, what's up? Edward here. Do you know that a boy got arrested for opening up his Christmas gift too early? Or did you know that somebody got arrested for farting at a police officer? Well, today I'm going to tell you the 10 weirdest ways in which people got arrested. So let's get started right now. Number 1 is about a man who got arrested for farting at a police officer. The man's name was Jose Cruz, and it happened when he was being taken for a breath analyzer test. Of course, he had nothing smarter to do than to lift his foot up, loudly fart at the police officer, and then purposefully wave the gas at him. After that, he was charged for assault. For the future, kids, make sure you don't accidentally rip it at the police officer, or else you can get arrested. Number 2 is about a kid being arrested for opening up his Christmas gift too early. In December 2006, the boy's mother had called the police officer after she found out that her child has unwrapped a $85 Nintendo Game Boy. The boy's mother was a 27-year-old single parent. Out of anyone who could possibly take their phone out to call the cops, it was the boy's mother. Now I realize how good my parents are. Number 3 is about a rural Oregon man who got arrested for collecting rainwater. In fact, he was collecting rainwater that was falling on his property, and he was collecting it for fire protection. Can you believe that? The state of Oregon said that the barrels that the man collected the water in were called illegal reservoirs. Gary Harrington was sentenced to 30 days in prison. Number 4 is about a juror who did something that defies common sense. The juror's name was Jacob Jock, and what he did was that in the middle of a court case, he sent a Facebook request to the defendant, which was a young female. Of course, he was removed from court and was jailed for 3 days. Perhaps the quote from Albert Einstein was correct. There's only 2 things that are infinite: the universe and human stupidity. However, I'm not sure about the former. Number 5 is about a 21-year-old by the name of Liam Stacy who lost his Twitter account, got suspended from his university, and spent 51 days in jail because of making fun of a black football player who got a heart attack. He said that his account was hacked, that he was drunk, and that he was just screwing around. Back to the Albert Einstein quote. Number 6 is about a 13-year-old boy who got arrested for farting during class. After that, he also turned off other people's computers. Yes, all just for that. After that, he was charged for disruption of school function. Is that school familiar with the concept of detentions? Number 7 is about Edna Jester, an 88-year-old woman who got arrested for taking away her neighbor's football and refusing to give it back, even when the police officer came. After the football repeatedly kept on bouncing on her yard, she took the ball and refused to give it back to the neighbors. After that, she got arrested for petty theft. Number 8 is about a goat being accused of car thief. What happened was that in 2009, a group of vigilantes tried to capture car thieves. However, one man got away, so they thought that the other man transformed into a goat to avoid persecution. So they accused the goat of stealing. I wonder how that worked out. This is so dumb because transforming into a goat is impossible. Or is it? Number 9 is about a 13-year-old who got arrested in 2011 for burping during gym class. In fact, when he was transported to juvenile hall, his parents were not notified. Furthermore, he was suspended for the remainder of the whole school year without any justification. Fortunately, that boy was evaluated and found to be no threat to the school. He wasn't charged, and his parents launched legal action against the school, all because of that burp. Number 10 is about a woman who got arrested for an overdue book. In 2010, she checked out Twilight on a DVD for it. After that, she forgot about it for 2 years. This made her pay $36 in fines, and she was also jailed in front of her 5 children and spent the whole night there. So those were the 10 weirdest ways people ever got arrested. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Also, I would really appreciate if you would comment on this YouTube video if you have any problems, if you have any concerns, because this would really support me and it would make all of my videos much better. So please comment, it would mean a lot to me. click on my face to subscribe for more Edward Vomit. Wait, no,
You have
what?
the right to remain silent. Aerophonic, you are under arrest.
You are under arrest.
What?
Be quiet.
Oh my.
You have the right to remain silent.
Why? Watch.